Okay, I use PS2. I'm going to show you how to change your desktop picture, make it personal. Well, personalize it for yourself. Okay, if you go into System Preferences, you can go to your desktops and screensavers, and you can see you've got a whole range of different pictures, patterns, and colors. We're going to be working in the folder called Nature and on the Aurora JPEG, which ships with leopard and snow leopard. And what we're going to do is we're going to personalize this, just jazz it up a bit. So we need to go to Macintosh hard drive, library, and then desktop pictures. And then search for the nature folder. And there's the Aurora JPEG. So we're going to make a copy of that. So right click or control click, copy Aurora JPEG, and shove it on your desktop. So paste item. There we are. That means that we've got a copy of that on the desktop, so we can't destroy the main one within the system. So anyway, Photoshop, we'll go to open the Aurora one that we put on the desktop, go to text tool, select it, choose the color palette. We're going to use a light to medium grey. The hexadecimal colours there, you can choose more or less any grey you like as long as it's not too dark. 220 pixels, 220 point, put anywhere on the screen. I'm just going to call this one my iMac, and I'm going to bevel emboss this. So once we've done that, you'll notice it's made a layer in the palette. If you click it, it's actually named it my iMac. Choose a pointer, go to layer, layer style, and go to bevel emboss. Okay, now then, the bevel emboss, we'll leave it about 100% for the depth on the bevel emboss there. Okay, that. And you'll see that we have a bevel emboss on that there, and we're going to take the fill down to 0% and look what we've got. It's like a watermark, it's actually there, but if you have a look, take that watermark off, take the fill back up to 100%, then click on the F within that, on that palette, click on drop shadow, highlight drop shadow, and you can see that you can drop in a drop shadow there. You can put some distance on it if you wish. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it like this for this tutorial. We'll drop this down to 0% again. There we are, the watermark. You can put your name in there or anything. We're going to put a logo here now, so we go to File. I downloaded one and open, and this one on the desktop called Apple Logo.png. PNG means that there's no background, it will just be that Apple image. So there'll be no white background or anything. So we'll open that and just drag it onto your canvas there, and drop it wherever you like. You can still maneuver it around. You notice it's made another layer. Okay, that's it. So we'll save as. Now I'm going to call this Tiora 1 because I've got one called Aurora. So I'll call this Tiora. And we'll save it as a JPEG. And it's going to be saved on the desktop. I'll change this to 1 here because I've already got one called Tiora. And that's everything done. So we just save it. And we've got a copy of that on the desktop. Just okay that, leave it as it is. Okay, we can close Photoshop down. This is PS2, by the way. So we'll close that down. We won't save that. Close the Apple logo down and hide Photoshop. Okay, we need to go into Macintosh hard drive library, and then to desktop pictures, and then to the nature folder, and drag our Tiora 1 in. Just just drop it in there, close that down, and go to System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver, go to Nature, scroll down, find Aurora 1, and there it is, and just quit System Preferences, and there you have your personalised desktop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. My name's Tony Bailey. Bye bye.